Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Tonald Trump, that's Tonald coin. It's quite easy to get this coin. All you need to do is open up your browser. With your browser opened up, log on to coinmarketcap.com and you'd find the Tonald Trump, which is Tonald on the platform. When you simply scroll through, copy its contract address, and when you scroll a bit further, you'd find where the coin is being exchanged. You'd find its market, and as you can see here, it's on the decentralized exchange known as TonFi. So all you need to do now is minimize, open up your TonKeeper application. Make sure you set up an account on TonKeeper and you have some Ton. If you do not have Ton on your wallet, all you need to do is use the buy and sell option at the top of the screen. Click on buy and sell, and you can easily buy your Ton tokens or USDT via any of the third-party platforms like MoonPay, Transact, Mercurial to simply get yourself some of these cryptocurrency tokens. Now head back, click on your browser, scroll through scroll from your digital nomads till the DeFi option and select Stone.fi. Once you selected Stone.fi, your wallet will be automatically connected. Otherwise, you simply connect your wallet by clicking on the connect at the top of the screen. So once you've connected, you'd find send Ton, you receive USDT. So in place of USDT, click on USDT, paste the contract address for the Tonald coin, click on Tonald, and now for 0.1, for $1.38, if you click on swap, you're going to be paying a gas fee of 0.96. That's about $1 in gas fees to get the Tonald token. And when you slide to confirm, the token would be successfully purchased and you'd find the Tonald coin on your wallet. If you head to the wallet section and reload, you'd find the Tonald token. So guys, don't forget to comment down below and you'll be given an answer